Blessings everyone, this is Chris Kendall from the rawdvantage.com, registered holistic nutritionist, raw food lifestyle coach, and raw chef. Today I want to talk to you about the new vegan burger or vegan Beyond Burger patty from A&W here in Canada, and there's a little bit of drama around it. Let's get into it.
Baby, I like it raw. Raw Advantage likes it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Hey.
Alright, so if you've been following me for a while, this isn't a really typical topic. Usually I'm doing recipes or tips on how to live a healthier, happier, raw vegan life. But this one is really unique, and I wanted to go into it a little bit because the Beyond Burger has been touted to be the best vegan burger out there. I've heard about this for, I think, about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. This is the first time it's really entering Canada into A&W fast food restaurants. Now, it's interesting to note that in Canada, typically A&W is known as being the best quality fast food out there. They do the hormone-free stuff, and they use sugarcane in the root beer, and overall, it's supposed to be healthier fast food. That said, in America, often when I've asked friends, they say A&W out there is a ghetto fast food restaurant. So, interesting there, but A&W did take on the Beyond Burger. They already had a vegetarian burger, but this is a vegan burger patty, and therein lies some of the drama. Now, I want to get a little bit more into my perspective after, but I'm going to start with the drama and what's happened. So, the Beyond Burger launched across Canada in hundreds of A&W restaurants nationwide, and for a lot of vegans, this was like time to rejoice because they want to try this vegan burger at a fast food restaurant. Before that, it was always vegetarian options. Now, there's the issue. When they came out with the burger, they said they cannot call it 100% vegan because it is grilled on the same grill as all their other burgers. Also, strangely enough, this is the bigger one to me that's kind of interesting. It comes served regularly with their mayo, which of course isn't vegan. It'd be awesome if they added a vegan option. And I guess some do use the uncle sauce, which is like mustard and mayo and some other stuff all mixed in. Now, of course, you can ask no mayo, no uncle sauce. You could even bring your own if you want. But the patties being grilled on the same grill has been a big point of contention for many vegans. And in fact, I read over some articles and I was looking, and the first few days there was a lot of newspaper articles and online articles saying A&W's Beyond Beef Burger, a big success among everyone except vegans, which I'll admit I understand, but I was also a little bit bummed out to see. There was a lot of, naysaying and saying, oh, vegans are too picky. This is going to go against the movement and make it harder for restaurants to want to take on vegan products. I wouldn't go that far. I think it's just a learning curve. But, it is interesting because you have a vegan burger and is not 100% vegan. So I can totally understand, as, a vegan of over 15 years myself, that would bum me out for sure. Now, other articles went on to say that, they don't clean the grill, they don't do this. I actually called 4 of the A&W restaurants here in Saskatoon. Now, mind you, it's over a week since they've come out, and there's been all this controversy. And I asked them what their official policy is. And they said, while they cannot say it's 100% vegan due to human error, or if it's crazy busy, maybe someone doesn't clean the grill well, their official policy and what they've been stressed to do at all the restaurants is to clean the grill before cooking any of the Beyond Burgers. So, it would be amazing if they had their own grill or their own special surface or their own place where they're separately cooked every single time, and I totally respect vegans that will not eat it unless it is completely on a separate surface at all times. But I think for a lot of people, that is a pretty decent scenario, seeing that if they go to any barbecue or they go anywhere, chances are there's been meat grilled on that at some time. And, for myself personally, if it was cleaned really well, just like the cutting board I use at home, my mom uses it, I use it, it's not ideal, I understand that, and some people would totally not use it and are against that, but it comes down to each person's personal preference. Now, beyond the drama, I just want to say I'm incredibly excited that these are out here at these restaurants, that they're giving more people more eco-friendly, more compassionate, more nutritious options. And, it isn't necessarily aimed directly just at vegans. For sure, they're hoping to get some of the vegan market on there. They're also hoping to help other people become more environmentally and compassion conscious. So they're giving that option, and it's spreading all over the place. It's been sold out in almost all the restaurants at some time or another. They're having a hard time keeping up with stock, which I think is amazing. Does it have room for improvement? Yes, but this is the initial rollout. I'm excited for that because a lot of people who normally eat meat but have been hearing about the detrimental qualities on their health and on the planet, on the animals of eating meat, they're trying these new Beyond Beef burgers. So it's bringing in more awareness, it's bringing in more compassion, it's bringing in more people into this movement. And you know what? Some of them are never going to go 100% vegan. That's where I like to point. I like to point towards veganism as the goal, but I'm happy to see people going towards that, and I congratulate people going towards that, and only want to offer information and encouragement to help people go all the way at their own pace. So, I'd be curious to see what you guys think. Definitely comment below, like this video, share it. I also want to mention, I'm actually tempted to try one myself. When I first heard about the Beyond Beef burger, like a year and a half ago, I thought, you know what, I wouldn't mind trying that because I like to see what's out there on the scene. After about 3 years of hearing about Day of Cheese, I tried it myself a year and a half ago, and I'm still a raw vegan. I tried it and I haven't really had it since, and I'd figure it'd be the same with this burger. But I've been hesitant, and I've actually been hesitant to bring it up because I don't want the scrutiny. I don't want people thinking, oh, he's not a raw foodist anymore. When the reality is, I always say I'm 99.9% raw 100% of the time. But anyways, I'm curious to see what you guys think. If you want me to go more into that topic of all raw, high raw, what you do some of the time, what you do all the time, all that stuff, let me know below as well in the comments. And as always, wishing you much peace, love, and seasonal fruit.
Beyond Meat. Plant-based burgers going mainstream, food.
Ooh, don't forget to check out my newest video in the top left, the video just for you in the top right, subscribe for more in the bottom right, and get your 3 free ebooks in the bottom left.
Grab my free iPhone app, comes with 50 free recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, a food combining chart, shopping cart function, and much, much more.